Yo, what's good? If you're tired of messing with those basic camera shortcuts in Blender, no stress, I got you. Let me slide in with the ultimate solution. Coupn, the dopest Blender Addon out there. This thing's got a vibey UI that's super smooth and intuitive, plus a ton of next-level camera features. We're talking effortless camera control, slick transitions, and tools that make your renders pop like they're straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. Coupn's got all the sauce. Whether you're setting up epic shots or just trying to vibe in 3D space, this Addon is a game changer. Here's a quick review to show you the magic. First, fire up Blender. While it's loading, hit the description and boom, click the link. It'll take you to the Coupn page where you can cop the Addon. They've got a free version for all my student homies out there and a paid version for the pros who want to level up their game. Once you download it, head back to Blender. Go to Edit, Preferences, Addons, then upload the file from your device. Easy peasy. Now, here comes the real glow up. Jump into the 3D viewport, hit that F key, and voila, magic happens. Coupn's ready to flex, giving you all the tools to make your camera work look straight up fire. When you press F, boom, a pie menu pops up with mad cool camera tools built right in Blender. What you used to do to add a camera? Struggle, scroll, click, repeat. Not anymore, fam. Just press F. One key, no stress. Just F. It's smoother, faster, smarter. Like a pro without breaking a sweat. Still using Ctrl plus Alt plus NumPad, 0 to switch views. Bro, that's vintage, like 80s kid energy. New era now. Just hit F again, and boom. Camera to view. Fast, clean, effortless. We don't struggle. Want to lock cam to view? You don't need to find that tiny lock icon. Come on, you're better than that. Just hit F one more time. Yep, that's it. The Addon knows what you want before you do. Magic. F is your Blender, homie. F is your Blender, bestie. F is your Blender, soulmate. Anything camera. Just press F, and we ain't done. Hit N on your keyboard. Check that fresh new panel called Cam Tool. Now you're in the sauce zone. Explore shake presets, autofocus, smooth paths, and more heat. Everything's right there. Clean UI, organized. No clutter. You're not lost. You're in control. Coupn ain't just an Addon, it's your personal camera assistant, always on point in Blender. And yo, that's just a sneak peek into what Coupn can do. But I want to know something from you. What was your favorite part? Like which feature made you say, yo, that's fire? Be honest though, you tried it yet? Or still sleeping on it? Let me know what your Blender cam life looks like now. Drop your thoughts below. Could be a W, an L, or a straight up yo, this saved my life moment. And if you're vibing with it, you already know what to do. Smash that F key one more time. Make your shots cinematic, your workflow faster, and your renders cleaner. That's the Coupn way. 8. I'm out. Stay creative, stay smooth, and yeah, don't forget your new bestie, the F key. Peace out, legends. Catch y'all in the next drop. This isn't goodbye. It's just a Ctrl S before we render the next scene.